Here's the uncomfortable truth. Being broke right now doesn't mean you'll stay broke forever, but it does mean you're at a crossroads. What you do in the next year could decide whether you'll keep living paycheck to paycheck or whether you'll look back 5 years from now saying, that's when everything changed. Some of the wealthiest people you see today, they weren't born with money. They didn't have trust funds or a golden ticket. They simply learned how to play the money game differently. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can start building wealth, even if your bank balance looks like a desert and your wallet feels lighter than a feather. Welcome back to the channel. This video kicks off something I'm calling the new financial basics, a step-by-step guide to building wealth in the 2020s and beyond. Because let's be honest, the old advice of just save 10% and buy a house doesn't really cut it anymore. The economy is different, the job market is different, and the opportunities to build wealth are different. Whether you're fresh out of college, stuck in your first job, or you're simply tired of feeling broke, this video is designed for you. And stick around till the end because I'll also share how even investing just $100 can shift your financial future. Something I explained in detail in one of my recent videos.
Start with financial clarity. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to build wealth without even knowing where their money's going. It's like trying to lose weight without ever stepping on a scale. Step 1 is financial clarity. And it's not complicated. Open your bank statements. List your income, every source, even side hustles. Then track your expenses for a month. You'll notice 2 things. Some money is disappearing on autopilot, subscriptions you don't use, small daily habits like coffee runs that add up. You're spending on things that don't actually make you happier. I like to call these silent wealth killers. They don't feel dangerous, but over time, they drain your ability to save or invest. Now, here's a simple fix. Create 2 bank accounts, one for spending, one for saving. Pay yourself first by sending money to savings as soon as you get paid. That way, you never confuse your savings as extra spending money.
Adopt the student lifestyle mentality. Now, let's talk about lifestyle, because here's the trap. The moment people start making money, they upgrade their lifestyle. New car, nicer apartment, expensive gadgets. And suddenly, their expenses rise with their income. That's lifestyle inflation. But if you really want to build wealth when you're broke, you need to flip the script. Think like a student, even after you graduate. Students live with flexibility. They stretch a dollar. They prioritize what really matters, and they don't care about looking rich right away. Here's a real example. I know someone who got their first big job out of college and immediately leased a car for $500 a month. Meanwhile, their friend stuck with public transportation and invested that $500 monthly income into an index fund. Fast forward 5 years, the flashy par friend had nothing to show while the investor had thousands growing passively. The lesson? Every dollar you don't waste today is a soldier working for you tomorrow. Living below your means doesn't mean living miserably, it means buying freedom faster.
Build wealth habits. Okay, let's move beyond mindset into action. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built through habits. Here are 3 habits that will change everything. Habit 1, track weekly, not daily. Daily tracking feels overwhelming. Weekly tracking gives you patterns without the stress. You'll see where money is leaking. Habit 2, automate wealth. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments right after payday. If you rely on willpower, you'll fail. Automation removes temptation. Habit 3, learn while you earn. Instead of mindlessly scrolling social media, spend 20 minutes a day learning about money, whether it's budgeting, investing, or side hustles. The compound effect of knowledge is just as powerful as compound interest.
Protect your money. We've talked about making money, saving it, and investing it, but the last piece is protecting it. This means building an emergency fund so a flat tire doesn't destroy your budget. avoiding lifestyle inflation, so every raise actually improves your wealth, saying no to get-rich-quick schemes that promise everything and deliver nothing. Think of your money like a castle. You need strong walls to defend it, not just flashy decorations. So here's the big takeaway. Being broke today doesn't mean you'll be broke forever. Wealth is built one smart choice at a time, with discipline, consistency, and patience. If you want to go deeper, I've got 2 videos you should watch next. Why overconsumption is keeping you broke. If you struggle with overspending, this one will open your eyes. 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, if you're ready to start making money outside your paycheck.